In news around Kern County, with gun violence rates down, Bakersfield is seeking more money to make its streets even safer. 17's Jacob Clark was at City Hall and joins us live now in studio. Jacob.
After seeing a 74% reduction in gun violence since 2021, the city of Bakersfield is seeking nearly $5 million in state funding to continue the decline.
Again, from 2021 to 2024, we've seen a 74% reduction in homicides and shootings. We saw about a 30% reduction year over year in each of those years to see this cumulative effect of a 75% reduction. What that means is that we have far less shootings, far less homicides, and we're now approaching the state and national averages you would see in other cities that are much smaller.
According to City Manager Christian Clegg, gun-related homicides went from 60 in 2021 to 26 in 2024, and non-fatal shootings went from 109 to 44 during that same period. He says that this, in part, is due to community partnerships past grants have supported with organizations like Community Action Partnership of Kern, Compassion Christian Center, Garden Pathways, Henrietta Whale Memorial Child Guidance Clinic, Stay Focused Ministries, and the Wendell Davis Foundation.
You know, we're working really hard on a specific gun violence reduction strategy that's evidence-based, meaning it's been proven in other cities and it's really working here because we're seeing that happen over the last 3 years. It's a model that takes a very close look at data, but then we use that data to have community-based partners do outreach and try and engage those who are most active in that lifestyle.
The Board of State and Community Corrections announced an additional funding opportunity from the California Violence Intervention and Prevention Program is becoming available this year. The city is planning on submitting a nearly $5 million proposal for the grant, which will support the expansion of the city's Office of Violence Intervention and Prevention, run by Crystal Rubio. She says the city is determined to continue reducing homicides and shootings through securing this grant.
We're hoping and we're staying optimistic. We're going for that Cohort 5 grant. It's a very competitive grant, as it was shared earlier. And so, but the city is ready to make a bigger impact on our community and start expanding into possibly other areas of violence in our community. And so I think the next step is we can obtain that funding, that we can really grow our Office of Violence Intervention and Prevention.
If obtained, the city could start using the grant money before the end of this year and into 2026. Jacob Clark, 17 News.